Officer Major, cut it down, try to do Christless. Obey my commands, protect yourselves at all times. Good night, really.
So I'm on the normal embankment here. I wake up to this every day as I just live up the road on the embankment itself. I'm very proud to represent this area in boxing. Without the support from the people here, I wouldn't be where I am today. 2 years ago I turned professional in Europa, and now I get the chance to fight for an Irish title because Mark's delivered on every promise he's made to me. Now I have to deliver back and bring the Irish title back to South Belfast here. It means a lot to me to be able to fight for the Irish title. I've had a lot of ups and downs on this road to get there, but I've stayed resilient and I've earned my way to this path. There's great boxing superstars that Mark signed, like James Tennyson and Eric Donovan, who have won the Irish title and then went on to have outstanding, spectacular careers. And hopefully I can bring the title home.
First fight between the two guys was a close encounter, which is why I was named the show Close Encounter. I think over the last 12 months, Colin has really improved. He's physically matured. He's grown into the super featherweight division. The extra 4 pounds will make a huge difference on the night. I think also the extra rounds, he will not have to set up a fast pace. But saying that, Gaynor has also got the extra 4 pounds and the extra 2 rounds. So I really think we're in for another classic contest at the Europa Hotel.
Has Gaynor changed as a fighter since the first fight? Yeah, he has. He's learnt a lot about himself. He's learnt he can do 8 competitive rounds. He's learnt he can go in the trenches with one of the best kids about. Very good Irish international, undefeated fighter, Cole Murphy. He's learnt that Cole's beatable. He himself has improved massively as a fighter. You're going to see a massive, completely different Liam Gaynor.
I know the outcome will be different this time. More weight, more rounds. Come on. I respect Colin, but this is business at the end of the day, so I'm going to win for him.
I have a lot of respect for you, Liam. I know you're coming to win for your family back home, but unfortunately the bigger view's on my side. I'm willing to sacrifice a lot more, and with that the belt is going to be staying in Belfast.